This girl actually looks pretty cute. You guys, stop right now.
Hey, old man, like meddling in other people's business.
Too slow.
You just wait and see.
Kid, are you okay?
Wow!
This is amazing.
You old bastard! Why did you attack my disciples?
It was your disciple who started it.
I'll give you 6 months to train that boy to compete against my disciples.
Good! Flow through the arms! Don't stop! Faster hands! Ha!